I've got the fall GQ box. So if you want to check it out with me, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy with me is Bandit, and Chloe's outside. Toby and Kinsey are hanging out. You may or may not see them. I think because Chloe's outside, Kinsey's outside, hoping that she might throw something to her. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. Chloe is my daughter and Kinsey is my lab. And Bandit is my sweet guy, and so is Toby. And we also have 3 cats who could potentially come into frame, who knows. But if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family and for, just being there for us all the time. We appreciate you. This is the GQ box. So this is more masculine type items. And certainly though, there are things in here that I would definitely use or have gotten in the past for myself. But what I like to get this for is I have my husband, my brother-in-law, and my nephew at gift giving time. So this gives me some nice things because the boys are always jealous. They don't get the boxes. The girls get these big, huge FabFitFun boxes stuffed full of just all kinds of products. And the boys, they don't get that. So they get a little jealous. So I have been getting this and kind of separating out items for depending on who I think would like it. And it does pack like a good value. I will tell you that. Now there are no choice items, or at least I haven't had any choice items as to date, but most everything in here I found pretty useful for one or more of the people in my life. So this is a coupon for something. So sometimes there's like a clothing item and you have to order it to make sure you get the right size. But so far I've gotten everything from this box that, I've had to order. And this is, this is for 1 year of GQ for $10. No, not going to do that. But it looks like there's a sweatshirt that I'm hoping they gave me a code for. Oh yeah, they did. It's right in here. And that's a Rains Adidas fleece half zip. And I'll show you after because I want to go through everything in the box first. All right, there is your sneak peek. The first thing we have is the Anthony Black Eau de Toilette. And here it is. There's how the bottle's going to look. Let's see what it says. Does not say the scent notes. It's a $75 value. So I guess we're going to have to open it up to determine who I best think would like this. I think my nephew might like this. My husband would like it, and I'm sure that my brother-in-law would like it, but I think it's got kind of a little bit of a lighter scent note to it that might be more attractive to a younger person than something heavier. And that's a $75 value. Next, we have this little pouch. It says Men and Nails and exists to modernize nail care. So that's the name brand, Men and Nails. And there is a very nice nail kit in there. Now, I hesitate to give this to my husband because he will lose all of this. And it's awfully nice. This is a $65 value. And I'm going to have to think about who gets this. While it's totally useful for any of them, I just think it's too nice for my husband because he just leaves stuff wherever. And like I buy nail clippers every couple of months because they're lost because we can't find them. Next, here's something that I would definitely use. This is the Perfect Clean 2-in-1 Scalp Scrub and Clarifying Shampoo by Nature Lab. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, and I think it's maybe lemon yuzu scent. It's yuzu scented, so a citrus scent. That's nice. This company is cruelty-free. We have a lot of these kind of things though, so I'm definitely going to give this to, I think, my nephew. I think he would like that. And that is a $19 value. Next, we have by Gainful, a hydration drink mix. Max Recovery, high intensity exercise. It's a, I guess you put them in your drinks. Yeah, they're the little packets. And it's tropical mango flavored. And it's definitely my nephew right there. This is his box right here. And by the Southern Scholar, we have this pouch. Oh, some nice socks in there. Look at that. Those are nice. My husband will get the socks. He's definitely going to get some socks. These are the Lemons mid-calf socks, and they're valued at $25. Now, they do have a discount code for Doer, 50% off one pair of pants. They are stretch performance denim and other comfortable yet cool pants. And so here is a picture, and there's a little scan and a little code on the back. It combines jeanswear style with performance elements like the signature motion gusset stretch to create sophisticated performance apparel. With a focus on natural materials, the Canadian brand is on track to be plastic fiber free by 2028. Sounds expensive. My husband would also never wear something like that. Here is what that top looks like. Here is what that top looks like, and this would be totally free. There's just a code that I have to enter and a little place to scan. It's got a half zip, a stand-up collar, and it says while supplies last. So I'm going to go on and do that as soon as I'm done with this. And I'll have to see what the sizes are. My husband's like a 3 or 4X. That usually isn't going to fit him. However, he's also trying to lose some weight, so I don't know. I might order the largest size they have for him and, you know, give it to him when it fits him. We'll see. But let me know your thoughts. All right, so I think there's some great giftable items in here for, you know, different folks in my life, and it doesn't have to all go to one person, but it certainly could if you have like one person who you just wanted to treat and spoil a little bit every quarter. That would be nice for them too. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but it means so much to us here. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.